Understanding submission requirements. Navigating the landscape of electronic and hard copy proposals. Welcome to Lecture 13.3. The culmination of the bid management process hinges on the successful and timely submission of your proposal. However, misinterpreting the client-specific submission requirements, whether electronic or in hard copy, can lead to disqualification. This lesson explores the critical importance of understanding and adhering to the nuances of both submission methods. Electronic submissions, navigating the digital terrain. Electronic submissions offer speed and efficiency, but they also have their own set of critical requirements. File formats. Clients often specify preferred file formats, and failure to comply can render the submission unusable. File naming conventions. Strict naming conventions are often mandated to ensure proper organization and identification of submitted files. File size limits. Clients may impose limits on file sizes, and exceeding these limits can lead to rejection. Submission platforms. Many organizations use specific online portals or email addresses, and understanding the platform's functionality is crucial. Security and encryption. For sensitive information, clients may require specific security measures, such as password protection. Hard copy submissions, the tangible approach. Despite the rise of digital submissions, hard copy proposals remain relevant. They require meticulous attention to detail in areas such as number of copies. Clients will specify the exact number of copies required. Paper type and size. Specific paper weight, size, and color may be mandated. Binding and packaging. Clients often specify the type of binding and any requirements for covers, tabs, and labeling. Document order. The precise order in which sections and appendices should be assembled is usually stipulated. Delivery instructions. Clients will provide details on the preferred delivery method and delivery address. Labeling and identification. Clear and accurate labeling of boxes and individual copies is essential for proper identification. A framework for meeting submission requirements. To ensure full compliance with all submission requirements, you should implement a framework with these phases. Meticulous review and documentation. Thoroughly review and document all submission instructions in a checklist. Clarification of ambiguities. If any instructions are unclear, submit formal questions to the client within the stipulated timeframe. Internal procedures and responsibilities. Establish clear internal procedures and assign specific responsibilities for each aspect of the submission process. Format-specific protocols. Develop and implement specific protocols for both electronic and hard copy submissions, ensuring adherence to all client requirements. Pre-submission quality checks. Before the final submission, conduct a thorough quality check of the entire package to verify full compliance. Timely submission and confirmation. Adhere strictly to the deadline and obtain confirmation of receipt from the client whenever possible. Key takeaways: flawless and compliant delivery. Understanding and meticulously adhering to the client's submission requirements, whether electronic or hard copy, is a non-negotiable aspect of successful bid management. By implementing a robust framework that emphasizes thorough review, clear communication, well-defined procedures, and rigorous quality checks, bid managers can mitigate the significant risks associated with non-compliance and ensure a flawless and compliant delivery that reflects professionalism and attention to detail.